pag sinabing confidential funds or intelligence funds, ibig sabihin nito ay they are lump sum appropriations for confidential or intelligence activities. Ito ay governed ng special auditing rules ng Commission on Audit. Pero hindi ito nangangahulugan na porket confidential or intelligence funds ay wala ng duty to report ang mga accountable officials na nakatanggap ng nasabing confidential and intelligence funds. So may mandato pa rin ang batas ng proper liquidation, proper submission of reports, and the required documents under the law sa Commission on Audit.
So, kumbaga po, required pa rin sila na mag-liquidate, but how does it differ from ordinary funds? Kung required din palang i-liquidate yung confi funds.
If you will observe, no, under Joint Circular 2015-01 na ipinaliwanag kanina ni Attorney Wamil, no, sa impeachment court, when you say they are governed by special rules since they are considered confidential funds, meron ditong mga tinatawag na safeguards. For example, ay kailangan nakaselyo ang envelope sa pagsasubmit ng mga liquidation reports and iba pang required documents. Pangalawa, very limited and specific ang purposes kung saan mo lamang pwedeng gamitin ang confidential and intelligence funds. For example, pwede mo lamang itong gamitin sa purchase of information, rentals of transport vehicles sa confidential activities, rentals ng safe houses also in relation to confidential activities, and sa payments, amongst others, ng mga reward for informants na hindi pwedeng related doon sa departamento o ahensya na mayroong confidential funds. So yun ang mga safeguards at purposes na doon mo lamang pwedeng gamitin or i-spend ang naturang pondo ng bayan.
Good evening, attorney. Si Chicky Verhel po ito. Kanina po sinabi niyo po, no, na kailangan pa rin ng proper liquidation nitong confidential funds. Pag sinabi pong proper liquidation, without exceptions po yun. Wala pong magiging sikreto dyan. Lahat dyan ay dapat naliliquidate. Tama po ba?
Tama, no, Miss Chicky. Para sa kaalaman ng mga kababayan natin, nakalagay po mismo doon sa Joint Circular 2015-01, yung meron kasing duty ang Commission on Audit, ICFAO, ang tinatawag na post-audit. They evaluate the disbursements and they determine if these confidential and intelligence funds were utilized in a regular manner, in a legal manner, and in a proper manner. So, dinedetalye po nila yan at ine-examine. At kailangan, yung ahensya na nakatanggap ng confidential funds must submit certain documents such as accomplishment reports, certification ng accountable officers, disbursement vouchers, checks, the physical and financial plan. Ito po yung nabanggit ni Attorney Wamil kanina, no? So napakaraming dokumento na kailangang isumite para mapatunayan mo na ginamit mo sa tama ang confidential fund. So may mandato, may responsibilidad na mag-report at mag-submit ng liquidation para sa paggamit mo ng mga nasabing pondo.